From junior section.
टेंट के अंदर इधर इधर लाइन से उधर लाइन से यहाँ पे
our school manager, Reverend Father John Pandya Pillai, our Father Fanu, our school principal, Reverend Father Herschel, Vice Principal Sister Melly, teachers, friends, and today's stars, outgoing students of class 12. A very warm good morning to everyone present here. On behalf of St. John Vianney School, I, Vansh Yadav,
And I, Unnati Bhadoria.
extend a hearty welcome to you all.
Today, we gather not just to bid farewell to our beloved class 12 students, but to celebrate the unforgettable journey we have shared. The laughter, the tears, the memories, and yes, even the questionable life choices. We have experienced it all together.
So let's take this moment to cherish the memories we have created within these school walls over the years. Let's make today a celebration of friendship, growth, and the spirit of St. John Vianney School.
To begin this special event, let us join together in our school prayer. I request everyone to stand.
guests of honor, Reverend Father John Pandya Pallil, Reverend Father Sanu, respected principal, Reverend Father Herschel, Vice Principal, Reverend Sister Mary, respected sisters, teachers, and all my colleagues. It's with a mixture of emotion that I stand here to welcome you all to this special occasion, your farewell ceremony. This is a day where we celebrate our seniors for everything you have accomplished, the memories you have created. Now, you are going to step into a new chapter of your life, where may the road ahead be filled with challenges, but it will also bring opportunities to you to grow and shine. Now I take this opportunity to welcome our Honorable Chief Guest, Reverend Father A. David, Vice President of our Trust. I call Devrat Dikshit of Class 11th B to welcome and present a plant to our Reverend Father A. David. Sikarwar of 11th B to welcome and present a plant to our school manager, Reverend Father John Pandya Pallil. I cordially welcome Reverend Father Sanu. I also extend a warm welcome to our respected principal, Reverend Father Herschel, Vice Principal, Reverend Sister Mary, all the sisters, teachers, and my senior colleagues. On behalf of all of us present here, I wish you success, happiness, and fulfillment in all your future endeavors. May you chase your dreams with courage, resilience, and determination. Once again, I welcome you all. Thank you.
Thank you, Vanshika. As we gather to celebrate this special day, we are reminded of the countless memories that have made our time here unforgettable. Who can forget the laughter and tears, the small fights and the lifelong friendships?
The thrill of scoring good marks and the promise of I will study harder next time.
The joy of unexpected holidays on rainy days and the rush of excitement during the last few minutes of the final period.
The inspiring words of our principal that motivated us to reach new heights.
And the unconditional love and support of our friends that made our everyday brighter.
These memories and many more have become an integral part of our life. And now it's time to celebrate.
Our primary students are here to kick off the festivities with an unforgettable dance performance. Get ready to cheer and applaud.
जादूगर बेहद मुस्कुराते हैं। शनिवार अपने स्कूल का सफर करवाते हैं। वो दिन याद है जब हम पहली बार स्कूल चले। घर में बोरिंग लगता था और स्कूल का इंतजार रहता था। और क्यों ना रहे भला, ये वो जगह है जहाँ हमने दोस्ती करना सीखा था। दोस्ती का मतलब पता नहीं होता, पर दोस्त बन जाते हैं।
लगता है आजकल दौर अपना आएगा यारो, जो खुद पे हो यकीन तो जिंदगी हंसी तुझे घर बुलाएगा है जो
सीट्स खाली हों पर पीछे बैठने में तो अलग ही स्वैग था और फिर मिल जाता हम सबको वो बैक बेंचर्स का टैग था।
फुल सेट है भाई तेरा फुल सेट है मुझे भी देखो मेरा बनने लगा देखो तो हसीना तो वारा भी करीना तो तुमको का फीवर है चढ़ने लगा थोड़ा हार्ड सा हो के थोड़ा जेंटल सा हो के थोड़ा सेंटी सा हो के थोड़ा मेंटल सा हो के सारे Let's rock you.
हमेशा गुड मॉर्निंग मैम अलग ही सुर में गाते। मैम को लगता हमें एक बार में समझ नहीं आता, लेकिन अगर रोज ऐसा नहीं करते तो उनके चेहरे पे वो स्माइल कैसे देख पाते। टीचर्स के साथ भी था अलग ही रिलेशन, कभी गुदगुदाते तो कभी
से हम सबके रास्ते अलग अलग होंगे, पर एक चीज़ जो हमेशा हमारे साथ रहेंगी वो एक खट्टी मीठी याद है। सो गुड बाय गाइस, प्रे करती हूँ आप सभी एक हैप्पी और प्रॉस्पेरस लाइफ जियो।
Performance.
Our respected chief guest, Reverend Father David A., Vice President of Gwalior Catholic Trust, our school manager, Reverend Father John Pandipalli, Reverend Father Sanu, our principal, Reverend Father Herschel, Sister Nelly, my colleagues, and all my dear students, very good morning. A few days back, I was standing in one of the classes. Behind that stage, I watched the sparrows making nests. You also might have watched that. Every year the sparrows make nests. The mother bird lays eggs, and the parent bird and the eggs hatch out, and the parent birds feed them till their wings are strong. Once Their wings are strong. The parent birds teach them to fly. And when they learn to fly, they fly away. There is no look back. And for the parent birds, it's also their routine. They go back to their routine. But for you children, you are just like the chicks. For you children, there is a vast world awaits, full of possibilities and wonders. And indeed, sky is the limit. And you know, the world outside this wall seems to have bed of roses. But you know, behind every rose there are thorns. But you are intelligent enough to have recognized that thorns. And also, you are wise enough to evade those thorns or to overcome those thorns. There comes the education. So keep learning. Many of you have studied in this school, I think around 12 years. Some of you have 15 years. And I must say, each and every child has left an indelible impression in the minds of the teachers. The same way, each and every teacher also puts a lasting impression in the minds of the students. So my dear students, do one thing, please give a big clap to all the teachers, a big round of applause to all the teachers from pre-primary to senior secondary. The board examination is nearer. Many of you have completed their studies, many of you are in the middle, and some of them have not even started. So, little bit time left, use the time judiciously. Keep yourself away from all kind of distractions. Learning is the one thing that you have to do it yourself. No one else can do it for you. So please keep learning. And when you leave this institution, take all the good things. Don't regret on what you have not done, but instead think what you can do. So on behalf of all the teachers present here, I wish you all the best for the upcoming board examination and also for all your future endeavors. Thank you.
As we celebrate this milestone moment, we want to make it even more special. It's time to present our dear outgoing students with a token of appreciation and remembrance.
I request class teacher of class 12A, Priya ma'am and Nidhi Rastogi ma'am from pre-primary to come up on the stage to present the mementos to the students of class 12 as a token of love and appreciation. Join Sirikha ma'am to give the mementos.
future.
Those early days of school when you held your teacher's hands and took your first tentative step into the school. The tears, the tantrums, and the unbridled energy. It's been an incredible journey.
Over time, you grew to love your teachers, your classroom, and the playground. The school became your second home, and the memories you have created will stay with you forever. Now, as you prepare to move on to the next chapter of your life, we invite a few of our seniors to share their reflections and their favorite memories and their heartfelt goodbyes. Let's listen to their stories and celebrate the time we have shared together.
Good morning to respected chief guests, respected principal, respected vice principal, respected sisters, respected teachers, and all my dear friends. I would first like to thank you all for giving us your precious time and arranging this memorizing farewell. All your life, they keep telling us that school is our second home, the teachers your parents, but we never understand it until the very last day of school, when we finally realize how much you have unconsciously fallen in love with that place. You are going to miss this distinctive smell of corridors, every corner possessing a memory of its own. The classes you once hated, now you yearn to sit in. The teachers you once avoided, now you wish to meet again. Passing your fingers over the doodles made on the desk, you recall the lame jokes that your friends used to crack during the lectures, but instead of laughing like you used to, tears escape your eyes as you ultimately prepare yourself to leave with nostalgia overcoming you. You can't help you but agree. Yes, the school was my home. Yes, the teachers were my parents. Thank you. Good morning, respected teachers, sisters, and teachers. Today, we are going to share our memories with you all.
आज स्कूल का आखिरी दिन है।
इस सफर को शुरू करते वक्त हमने ये कभी नहीं सोचा था कि ये इतनी जल्दी खत्म हो जाएगा।
पर देखो, कल से यहाँ सब बदल जाएगा।
जिस यूनिफॉर्म को हम रोज पहना करते थे, वो अब अलमारी में ही पड़ी रहेगी।
वो दोस्त जिनसे हम रोज मिला करते थे और जिनके साथ हम स्कूल जाया करते थे,
कल से सब अपने अलग रास्ते पर निकल पड़ेंगे।
जिस जगह हमें आना कभी पसंद नहीं था, आज वहीं से जाना का मन नहीं कर रहा है।
यादें जिन्हें हम यहाँ छोड़ कर जा रहे हैं और कुछ जो साथ लेकर जा रहे हैं।
जाने का मन तो नहीं कर रहा है, पर जैसे ही आखिरी घंटी बजेगी,
हमें ये सब छोड़कर जाना पड़ेगा,
क्योंकि आज स्कूल का आखिरी दिन है। डियर टीचर्स, हम चाहते तो नहीं थे कि आपकी डांट सुने, बट कभी ना सुनने को मिले ये नहीं चाहते थे।
इस फेयरवेल के साथ अलविदा तो कहेंगे हम इस स्कूल को, पर कभी नहीं भूल पाएंगे आप लोगों को।
इस बात की खुशी हमें हमेशा रहेगी कि जिंदगी में कुछ चीज बढ़िया मिली हो या ना,
पर टीचर सच में बहुत अच्छे मिले, जिन्होंने हमें अपनाया भी और अपनों सा समझा भी,
डराया भी, धमकाया भी और बच्चों सा समझाया भी।
क्लासेस में पढ़ाया भी, पढ़ाते पढ़ाते हंसाया भी,
और आज फेयरवेल देके रुलाया भी।
आप
आप लोगों के लिए शब्द नहीं है, दिल में जज्बात है और रिस्पेक्ट है जो हमेशा रहेगी।
डियर टीचर्स, जब भी जिंदगी में स्टूडेंट लाइफ की बात होगी, सबसे पहले आप लोगों की बात होगी।
जैसे आदित्य सर का अकाउंट्स पढ़ाना और ना पढ़ने पर ताने देना,
रेखा मैम का पढ़ाना और इंग्लिश ना बोलने पर बात ना सुनना,
और राहुल सर की तो मैं क्या ही बताऊं, जब इतने प्यार से वो बोलते हैं तो मुझे नींद ही आ जाती थी।
जीनू सर का पढ़ाना और उनके ग्राफ्स बनवाना,
रोहन सर का कंप्यूटर साइंस पढ़ाना और उनकी कोडिंग
ना समझ आना, ये सब बहुत याद आएगा।
So thank you so much for everything, teachers. Thank you.
What's the farewell without a little entertainment? Our juniors have prepared a special dance performance as the way to show their love and appreciation.
ਕਿਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨੱਚ ਪਤਲੋਨੀ ਤੇਰਾ ਲੱਕ ਨਾ ਮਰੋੜਾ ਖਾ ਜਾਵੇ ਹੌਲੀ ਹੌਲੀ ਕਿਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨੱਚ ਪਤਲੋਨੀ ਤੇਰਾ ਲੱਕ ਨਾ ਮਰੋੜਾ ਖਾ ਜਾਵੇ ਕੱਚ ਦਾ ਸਮਾਨ ਬਿੱਲੋ ਰੱਖ ਸਾਂਭ ਕੇ ਨੀ ਕਿਤੇ ਸੋਹਣੀਏ ਤੜਕ ਨਾ ਜਾਵੇ ਹੌਲੀ ਹੌਲੀ ਕਿਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨੱਚ ਪਤਲੋਨੀ ਤੇਰਾ ਲੱਕ ਨਾ ਮਰੋੜਾ ਖਾ ਜਾਵੇ ਹੌਲੀ ਹੌਲੀ ਕਿਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨੱਚ ਪਤਲੋਨੀ ਤੇਰਾ ਲੱਕ ਨਾ ਮਰੋੜਾ ਖਾ ਜਾਵੇ ਤੂੰ ਗਿੱਧੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨੱਚਦੀ ਵੀਣੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਪਾਈ ਲਾਲ ਬੰਗ ਬੜੀ ਜੱਚਦੀ ਓਏ ਰੌਣਕੇ ਦਾ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਵਿੱਚ ਮਾਰਦਾ ਏ ਗੇੜੀਆਂ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਆ ਮੋਰਨੀ ਅੱਜ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਬਚਦੀ ਓਏ ਸੰਦੂਆ ਕਬੂਤਰੀ ਨੂੰ ਰੱਖ ਸਾਂਭ ਕੇ ਸੰਦੂਆ ਕਬੂਤਰੀ ਨੂੰ ਰੱਖ ਸਾਂਭ ਕੇ ਉਹ ਕਿਤੇ ਹੱਥ ਚੋਂ ਪੜਕਣਾ ਜਾਵੇ ਹੌਲੀ ਹੌਲੀ ਕਿਤੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨੱਚ ਪਤਲੋਨੀ ਤੇਰਾ ਲੱਕ ਨਾ ਮਰੋੜਾ ਖਾ ਜਾਵੇ ਹੌਲੀ ਹੌਲੀ ਕਿਤੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨੱਚ ਪਤਲੋਨੀ ਤੇਰਾ ਲੱਕ ਨਾ ਮਰੋੜਾ ਖਾ ਜਾਵੇ
ਹੋਲੀ ਹੋਲੀ ਐਕਟਿਵਾ ਦਾ ਇੱਕ ਦਿਨ ਖੜ ਗਿਆ ਹੈਂਡਲ ਫੜ ਕੇ ਪਾਣੀ ਪਾਣੀ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਮੈਂ ਪੱਟੂ ਹਾਂ ਕਰਵਾਉਂਦੇ ਲੜ ਕੇ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਕੁੱਤੀ ਤੇਰੀ ਤੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲਟਕਣ ਪੱਟ ਦੇ ਦੂਜਾ ਲਟਦਾ ਕੋਬਰਾ ਗਿਰਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਮੇਰੇ ਪਿੰਡ ਦੇ ਗੇੜੇ ਮਾਰਦਾ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਬਿਨਾ ਵਜ੍ਹਾ ਤੋਂ ਫਿਰਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਮੇਰੀ ਦਿਖਦੀ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਖੜਿਆ ਗੁਨਾਹ ਤੋਂ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਦੇਖਦਾ ਫਿਰਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਮੇਰੇ ਪਿੰਡ ਦੇ ਗੇੜੇ ਮਾਰਦਾ
Over the mic to Sini ma'am and Sejal ma'am. I invite Sini ma'am and Sejal ma'am to the stage.
Morning, everyone present here. This is the time to acknowledge the toppers of the academic session 2023-24. I request our chief guest, Reverend Father A. David, guest of honor, Reverend Father John Pandipillil, Reverend Father Sanu Alungal, our respected principal, Reverend Father Herschel, Vice Principal, Sister Mary Punyumol, Mother Superior, Sister Mary Mini, to come upon the stage to present the trophies to our toppers. To come upon the stage and receive the trophy. Happy Sharma is not able to receive the trophy personally as he is in IIT Guwahati, but his parents are present here. So I request his parents to receive the trophy. Thank you so much. Anushka Jain, CBSE topper of class 12 from Commerce Stream, to come up on the stage and receive the trophy. Rajoria, CBSE topper of class 10, to come up on the stage and receive the trophy.
On behalf of Lianiers, I would like to congratulate and give hearty thanks to house animators and office bearers for the academic session 24-25. I would like to invite the head boy Aditya Singh Jadon from senior section and Lakshmis from junior section, along with the head girl Manvi Base from senior section and Pihu Bhadoria from junior section, to come up on the stage and receive the memento. Now, I would like to invite Mr. Yogen Bhadoria, Blue House Animator from Senior Section, Captain Natik Sikarwar, Vice Captain Rudra Sharma, along with Sports Captain Arjun Yadav and Editor-in-Charge Ishika Sindhani, to come up on the stage and receive the memento. Along with Captain Devansh Yadav and Vice Captain Tanya Gaur, to come up on the stage and receive the memento.
all, I would like to invite Miss Gloria Charles greenhouse animator from senior section, Captain Prince Yadav, Vice Captain Ishika Sharma, along with Sports Captain Vansh Yadav, memento. Mrs. Sadhana and Vice Captain Sejal Rathore to come up on the stage and receive the memento. Red House animator from senior section, Captain Vanshika Parmar, Vice Captain Pal, editor in charge, Manish Rajput to come up on the stage and receive the memento. I also request Mrs. Jyotika John, Red House animator from junior section, along with Captain Kanchan Vatham, Vice Captain Yami Surana to come up on the stage and receive the memento. Put your hands together, students. I would like to invite Mr. Sanjay Misra, Yellow House animator from senior section, Captain Mohit Singh Tomar, Vice Captain Lucky Tomar, along with Sports Captain Nikki Rai, editor in charge Nitesh Rajput. I also request Mrs. Jaya Saran, Yellow House animator from junior section, along with Captain Anamika Jadon and Vice Captain Rayansh Agrawal to come up on the stage and receive the memento. Mr. Sunil Lawrence, Orange House animator from senior section, Captain Prince Yadav, Vice Captain Manas Yadav, along with Sports Captain Jaideep Yadav and editor in charge Manav Sharma to come up on the stage and receive the memento. Mrs. Angelina Anthony, Orange House animator from junior section, along with Captain Arya Pandey and Vice Captain Kanav Shukla to come up on the stage and receive the memento. Thank you all. Now I am going to announce the 100% attendance award. Request Mr. Ajay Acharya, Mrs. Suja K.S., Mr. Yogendra Badoria, Mrs. Nishi Rathore, Mrs. Ananti Topo, Mrs. Manjali, Mrs. Sharda Rajput to come and receive the award.
Now, the most awaited moment, the winner's trophy. For this, I request to our principal, Reverend Father Harshal, to reveal the name of second runner-up rolling trophy from the junior section.
Year 24-25 juniors, second runner-up rolling trophy goes to Blue House. Blue House, Captain Junior Week, and senior animate also come. Blue House.
With the captains and vice captains, please come up on the stage. Father Harshal to reveal the name of first runner-up rolling trophy from the junior section.
Runner-up for the academic year is the Yellow House. First runner-up, Yellow House, Madam, Sanjay sir, and the captain, vice captain of junior section come.
फादर का चेहरा छुप रहा है.
Name of the champion rolling trophy from the junior section.
The champions of the junior section, it is the Red House. Red House captain, vice captain, along with the animators come up on stage fast.
Give a big round of applause to them. Request Father Harshal to reveal the name of second runner-up rolling trophy from the senior section.
Of the senior section, it is Civil Service Team, Orange House.
Angelina ma'am, please go.
Go fast.
Reveal the name of first runner-up rolling trophy from the senior section.
It's the Greenhouse. First runner-up for the rolling trophy. Greenhouse.
House animator Gloria ma'am and Sanna ma'am with their captain and vice captain come up on the stage. Give a big round of applause to them. I request Father Harshal to reveal the name of the champion rolling trophy from the senior section.
Yeah, this is the house always kept the lead all throughout the year. So I call out the Yellow House to come and receive the champion.
The house animators Sanjay Mishra sir and Jaya ma'am with their vice captain and captain. Give a big round of applause to them, children. I request our principal, Reverend Father Harshal, to present the memento and a shawl to our chief guest, Reverend Father A. David, as a token of our love and respect.
Respected Father John Pandeyapalli, the manager of the school, respected Father Harshal, principal of the school, Father Sanu, Mr. Murli, vice principal, Mr. Mary. I thank this opportunity for giving me to come over here to preside over the function. First and foremost, I wholeheartedly congratulate all the prize winners for receiving the awards. May God bless you all. And I thank all the performers, students, who had put up so wonderful program by which you convey the messages, how it is to be living in a school where you have spent almost 12 to 14 years. And today also farewell of the final year students. As you stand here, as I stand in front of you, it's a mixed feeling, because you came as a child, just slowly walking, or refused to walk forward, and came over here, spent 14 years. Now you are going out as a young person, fully grown up. Strength, knowledge and wisdom is with you. As your teachers mentioned, when you go out, you have ample opportunities. As the birds send away their chicks away when they grow up, so are you. You are leaving the school to go into unlimited opportunities. They will come. Every second, every fraction of seconds are so important in our life that we need to make use of it. A time that is lost will never come back. Whatever may be the cost we pay, the day today, the second, the hour, the fraction second, the past will never come again. So keep in mind, make every moment, every day, every second, make useful to yourself and to others. At this hour of adieu from here, be grateful to God for giving you a wonderful life. Be grateful to God for giving you good parents who took all the effort, all the toils for your well-being. Be grateful to your teachers. They never left a stone unturned for your welfare, because they cared for you, they loved you. And at this time, I ask you, when you go out, do every possibility to prove yourself as a good citizen of this country and as a good human being. As I say goodbye to you, I wish you all May the Almighty God be always at your side. To take whatever venture you undertake, will be blessed by Him, supported by Him, and protected by Him. May God bless you all. All the best, students. All the best to you.
Thank you, Father.
Father, thank you very much. It's time to celebrate the spirit of our senior secondary students, class 11. Let's enjoy the energetic dance performance and make this farewell ceremony unforgettable.
अगर अपने यार की जिंदगी चाहिए तो जरा कुछ नाच गाना दिखा दो हमको।
Ladies and gentlemen, you ready?
अब दिल करता है हाले हाले से मैं तो खुद को गले लगाऊं, किसी और की मुझको जरूरत क्या, मैं तो खुद से ही प्यार जताऊं।
जब तक तेरे पैर चलेंगे उसकी सांस चलेगी, तेरे पैर रुके तो ये बंदूक चलेगी।
हम लोग का अनारकली तो मचा है, कितना मचा रहा है।
आप चाहेंगे तो हम रोज आकर आपके पास नाच जाएंगे, 1 घंटा सुबह 1 घंटा शाम, लेकिन अभी तो जाने दो यार, जाके नाचो वरना गोली मार दूंगा।
तो बहुत गलत बात है यार, पुराने जमाने में लोग नाचते थे, उनको सोना चांदी मिलता था।
आप हमको बंदूक दिखा रहे हैं तो अच्छी बात है।
बहुत हो गया, बड़े मियाँ छोटे मियाँ के साथ हम क्या रहे हैं, 1 मिनट के अंदर इज्जत से जाने दो वरना
क्या कर देगा तू, वरना नाचेंगे।
हम तो है कैपेचीनो, तुम पी लो जरा हसीनो।
हम तो है कैपेचिनो, तुम पी लो जरा हसीनो।
हम एक पे एक भरी है, सिर्फ जितने चाहे मारो। दंदन 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 दो।
डिंगडा 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 डिंग, डिंगडा 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 डिंग। दिल वालों के
ओ दिल वालों के, दिल वालों के दिल का करार लूटने हम आए हैं यूपी बिहार लूटने।
रुको जरा, सबर करो।
चांद को घूंघट के नीचे छुपा के लाई तेरे लिए दुनिया से नजरें चुरा के।
पीछे हुआ आगे मेरे खाई, तू ही बता जाऊं मैं कहाँ, मुझको दुआ किसकी लगी भाई, आके पधारा हूँ जो यहाँ।
दिल फिकर आजा इधर, बीच में लगा ले तू ठुमका।
1 2 3 4 get on the dance floor। 1 2 3 4 get on the dance floor। Shake it, shake it, up and down, hard that. Show it out, hit the party, hit the give me, give me, give me, give me, give me, give me some more। 1 2 3 4 get on the dance floor। Shake it, up and down, hard that. Show it out, hit the party, hit the give me, give me, give me, give me, give me, give me some more।
बंद करो ये नाच गाना।
Now I invite our principal, Reverend Father Herschel, to give a message to our class 12 students.
Respected Chief Guest Father A. David, Father John Pandipalil, Father Sanu, Reverend Sisters, dear teachers, and my loving students, and dear parents who have visited here. I thank you everyone, and I wish all the best to our class 12 students as you are going out of the school. You are not no more going out, but you are leaving a lot of memory and going. I wish you all the best for your exams. Do well and do well in your life. The studies that you have done, you may forget, but the lessons that we have given, the values that you have caught from us, continue with you in your life. Only one thing I will just want to say, when you visited Delhi, there is a Akshardham temple. If you have visited that one, when you go to that museum, there is a first scene is a one stone. You will see only the stone, then the stone turns and there is a two hands appear, one has got a chisel and one has got a hammer. It only tells that you have to make your own life. You have to chisel out yourself. Then only you can be what you are. God bless you, and I thank all the teachers, our vice principal, and all the coordinators and everyone. Thank you so much. God bless you.